Cheats meatballs. They're pork sausages, linguine, garlic, olive oil, a little bit of plain flour and some butter for cooking. Come out at £3.30. And basically I'm going to squeeze all the sausage meat out of these sausages, just like this, and I'm going to turn them into meatballs. I've got my pan of water on the hob for the pasta, and I'm going to flour my hands. And actually I'll get this little pan on the go. There we go. Some oil in there. Get that nice and hot. And I'm going to flour this board so I can put them on here. And I literally turn them into meatballs. And in a caravan like this, if you're lucky enough to have a Bailey Unicorn, you've got masses of room to do your prep. Okay, so I've got linguine here. That's what I'm going to serve with these lovely little meatballs. So I've got a pan of boiling water and the linguine is just going to go in. And I'm going to get these meatballs on the go. So here they are. And actually, good to have them flatter. So not really meatball shaped, but patty shaped, because they're easier to cook. So I'm going to drain the pasta now. These meatballs are coming along really nicely. So I'm just going to leave the pasta there for one moment. So I'm just going to heat a tiny little bit of oil, and I've got some lovely crushed garlic here. Now you don't want your pasta, your garlic to burn. So pasta goes back in, nor do you want fried pasta. So you're going to turn that off. Turn the pasta around in the garlic. In goes a lovely amount of chopped parsley. The best thing is to serve this straight onto your plate. So have your plates ready.